time again for another Auditography special. After revealing my new Audi RS6 Avant C7.5 and then in a separate video showing you the new color of the car, it's now time for the real deal, the tuning. I have now upgraded the car with an ECU tune and an exhaust, and in this video we will dig into the details of that. Looks fast? Well, that's because thanks to my friends at APR, the car now pushes a whopping 700 horses. Thanks to the Stage 1 Plus ECU remap and the Catback Sports exhaust, it catapults like a missile from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds, and it pops and bangs even more than stock. I'll skip the talking for now and let you listen to the symphony orchestra of that twin-turbo V8 that I can never get enough of. And there you go. The car is so much faster and louder now than stock, and I never really complained about how fast it was from the very beginning, but now it's just on a totally different level. It's a pure joy sitting in the driver's seat of this machine, and I smile every single second of it. No wonder that the C7 generation of the RS6 has such a huge fanbase worldwide. I personally think that this is one of the greatest cars that Audi has ever made and will ever make. And now it's just even more crazy. What an orchestra, huh? Actually, I already got the downpipes in my basement, but still not sure if I want to go stage 2 and around 760 horses. You see, I still want to have the option of switching to comfort mode and have the car in silent when I, for example, help my mom with the groceries. I guess time will tell if I decide to do so or not. For the RS6 owners that went with the downpipes in stage 2, please write in the comments if you advise me to do so or not. I could talk a long time about this car and how it makes me feel and what's so extremely special about it. But you see, I have one more video to do about it for you all, since there's one last surprise coming very soon. So I will save all possible words until then. For now, here's some more additional footage of the RS6.